right, Bob here in Mohawk Valley Farm, and today I came out to take care of the little baby chicks, and some of them aren't really looking like babies anymore. They're actually getting pretty big, and so I thought, you know, it's a beautiful day outside, and I was going to wait another week or two to put them out with the other chickens, but they're just taking up a lot of room in here. So I thought, you know, hey, let's put them out there and see what happens. So I want you to take a look at some of these guys. Normally, you know, I like to see 6-7 weeks. But some of these guys are just getting huge and they're ready to go. He's looking big. Start with these two. Very friendly little girls. All right. These are first time after being hatched that they've been outside on their own. It's always fun to see what happens when an animal experiences something new in life. The roosters showing them who's boss. You get your chance. You be nice. You be nice. You be nice. All right, let's go get a couple more. We'll grab a few more.
These guys have not even moved a muscle. This one's like playing dead.
There you go.
They're afraid to even move.
That's what they call the pecking order.
He's going after him, that's for sure.
Yeah, they learn to fight, to fend off and move the other way. Maybe a few more. Yeah. He's pooping. Pooping.
you can't go out there. No. Ugh, you gotta come back in.
Come back in.
I couldn't. He's right there.
He knows his home.
Yeah, I doubt it.
This one's a flight. Throw some flies. Okay, so how many we got? We got.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna try to count them? I don't know.
We got. You over here? Come on.
These guys are all depressed. They think, what the heck happened to my nice warm bed? You just threw me outside. 50-degree weather. You get beat up on by a bunch of hooligans.
Roughly about 6 eggs a day, maybe 7 on a good day. They should start laying more now that we have more sunlight. And then by summer, we should be getting, how many should we get in the summertime? Probably a couple dozen a day, maybe.
Hopefully.
Once these guys all start laying. Let's see if we can get these other ones in.
How did these guys get out? Those other ones, they fly out
They fly out.
over the top?
Yeah, they jump up on that
Oh.
hutch, and then they kind of fly out.
Won't leave them alone. She's just been attacking them.
Oh. These are the bullies. Local bullies. Here's the new kids on the block. Huddled all together. I'm sure they'll be here tonight when I come back and check on them. There's the rooster. He's the ringleader of all of them. So far, been a pretty friendly rooster. Okay, so that was it. We just released 16, I think, new chickens into the flock here. So tonight we'll check on them. They'll probably be all huddled together in the dark. We'll have to come out here with the flashlight and get them in there, but they'll learn in a few days. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.